Whiskey, Chester.
Whiskey? Man, but are you sure you know what happened to you on the 4th of July?
Whiskey.
Okay, I ain't your papa. I just don't want to see you do the wrong thing.
Then you can leave the bottle.
It's a woman, right? I knew it. I have seen that look on a man's face 1,000 times all across the country. Well, all I can tell you, friend, is you'll get over her.
No. Clara is 1 in a million. 1 in a billion. 1 in a googolplex. The woman of my dreams, and I've lost her for all time.
I can assure you, sir, there are other women. I have peddling this barbed wire all across the country has taught me one thing, certain. It's that you never know what the future might bring.
Well, the future. Oh, I can tell you about the future.